Tucked away within the guard-gated sanctuary of Westlake Village's North Ranch Country Club, this 10,000-square-foot modern Mediterranean masterpiece proves that you don't need to build upward to reach the pinnacle of luxury. In fact, as a sprawling single-story estate, it is the perfect retreat for anyone who has officially retired from the daily commute of climbing stairs. Architecturally, the home is a masterclass in California seamless. Massive wrought iron doors and expansive glass spans dissolve the boundaries between the interior's custom-detailed ceilings and the 3 acres of meticulously manicured grounds. The materiality is both tactile and timeless. Cool natural stone and warm hardwoods lead you through a floor plan designed for both high society entertaining and blissful isolation. The lifestyle here is less about living in a house and more about curating a permanent vacation. Your morning might begin with a session in the private gym, followed by a very short commute to the wood-clad library. When the afternoon sun hits, the infinity pool beckons, offering a visual spill into the 27 holes of championship golf and majestic mountain vistas beyond. For the active soul, a professional north-south tennis court awaits, though with views this distracting, your backhand may suffer. The primary suite is a particular triumph of domestic diplomacy, featuring his and her bathrooms. Because let's be honest, true tranquility is never having to share a vanity or see a stray toothpaste cap. Between the private rose gardens, whispering fountains, and a dedicated poolside cabana, the property feels less like a residence and more like a boutique resort. In a world of loud architecture, this estate is a quiet argument for never leaving the house again.